So this is our 2019 June PYQ, okay, based on the perturbation theory. So the question was the energy of the ground state compared to the ground state energy added before the perturbation was added is. So this is our system, okay. So the question is, when perturbation was not there, when there is only unperturbed Hamiltonian, so that energy is less than, that energy is decreases by what, okay. Basically question is that the after the perturbation what will be the energy, okay, what will be the addition or subtraction of energy which is provided by the perturbation. So first of all, in perturbation this kind of problems looks very complex, okay, but it is very easy one. So first of all, focus on the figure, okay, what are the situation. So this is our potential box, suppose ki this is our system, okay. So here is minus E and plus E, this is our perturbation whose length is delta and delta. So first of all you have to know that for the ground state, for n is equal to 1 ground state, for 0 to A potential box, okay, the wave function is given by this, okay. So in our system the wave function is also this, okay. That means the probability of finding the particle here and here, okay, will be the same because of the length of this perturbation is same, okay, delta, okay. You can construct the like this also, okay, this is negative but this will be positive. So the probability of finding the particle is same for the for both of the perturbation. So now what we are gonna do is that first of all we need to know what is the perturbation, the correction to the ground state, okay. So which is given by the total energy is equal to E0 plus 01 plus E11 plus E12, okay, blah blah blah. So how are we gonna find out this one? Okay, so E11 is given by, what will be the limit, 0 to delta and delta to A minus delta basically. So integration 0 to delta mod of sine 1 square, and the perturbation is here, it is minus, plus A minus delta to A, integration A minus delta to A probability into the perturbation plus A. So by the looks of it you can get that the value of both these will cancel out each other, so that the first order correction will become 0. Now for the second order it will be, we know that for the second order n h prime m mod square upon En minus E. So if n is equal to 1, here if n is equal to 1, then m will become 2, 3, 4, so on. So basically the denominator will always be negative, okay, and this term whatever it is, it will always be positive. So that means it will be negative, okay. So after all we know that the total energy will be decreases, okay. So there is two options, okay, decreases by E square and decreases by E. So this will get eliminated. Now it will get negative, but how much? So we know that the solution of NHM will bring you NHM or psi n will gives you En something else. Suppose it is alpha. So here it is the mode of this expectation or expectation value of Hamiltonian square. That means E square. So it will gets decreases by E square. So our answer will be decreases by E square. Okay, thank you.